Hello guys, my name is Nobu. So today I'm making video on how to transform your slides, your handwritten paper into an editable text, because I know how stressful it is for writers to write something on a paper and still translate it into and still type it back into the system. Is very much stressful. So today I'll be showing you one simple techniques, and then after that video, if you enjoy watching it, you now tell me under the comment section if I should drop the other two videos. So I will show you how to use an app called Google Keep. But before we proceed, please, if you are still new to the channel, help me subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and also click on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify whenever I'm dropping a new video, because from this time around I'll be dropping videos. So let's go into the Play Store. On the search bar in the Play Store, you have to search for Google Keep. That's the name of the app that you are looking for. So Google Keep, we tap on the first one. So here is it, and my app is already outdated, so I have to update it now. Okay, so let me also glance through people's reviews while the app is being updated. Let's go to reviews and read about reviews. This one say very excellent. Google has done this app the way I want it, only that I would have had Kiniko, you understand? So now let me go to the top reviews. Sorry, this thing, the top reviews, that's what I want to do. So these are the top reviews. The series one say, I love this app, Kiniko. So the app have very good name. It's very good because people are rating it. People are really rating the app. So let's go to the 5 stars. Let's go to the 5 stars and check. This one say, love Google Keep, but this version has caused most image attachments to not sync with desktop. Okay, so now my app is updated and ready. So now let's go into the main cuckoo. Now there are two various ways you can use. Either you snap or you select the image from your phone so that it will be turned, so that your note will turn into an editable text. So now I'm trying to snap though. I'm sorry, it is night, it is 4 a.m. so it's dark. I have to put on my torchlight so that you guys can see what I'm trying to do. Yes, so this is the notes I'm trying to copy to snap and turn it into an editable document. Okay, so at this point I'm trying to snap it. You tap on that code. So next thing you will do is tap inside the image. So from your top right, there's 3 dots there, then you now tap on that grab image. It will now do the magic. So you can see now that this thing has been transformed from hard copy to soft copy. So if you want me to drop the remaining 2 ways to do this, kindly comment it on the comment section and I will gladly do that. Thank you for watching.